Welcome back to Neelam Co. This is Neelam. Today I bring you a recipe for turmeric tea. Turmeric tea helps in weight loss. It increases immunity and energy and also reduces inflammation. So let's look at the ingredients. The first ingredient is turmeric, and to turmeric I will add black pepper and honey, and the lemon are optional. The first step is to boil 1 cup of water. The water is boiled, so I am going to add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric to it and pinch of black pepper, and boil this mixture again. I boiled this mixture second time for 30 seconds, and now I am going to pour in a cup along with the black pepper too. The turmeric tea is ready right now. You can drink it like this. To make it more flavorful, you can add 1 teaspoon of lemon. I think it's a lot, so I will pour it into another cup, and 1 teaspoon of honey, and mix it really well. You can add more lemon or more honey based on your taste, but I like it this way. So just remember, you can add either honey or lemon or both based on your choice. The turmeric tea is ready now. You can have it any time of the day, but for weight loss, have it early in the morning on empty stomach. So this was my recipe for turmeric tea. I hope you find it useful. See you next time with my another video. Thank you for watching.